Hi everybody, this is Terry Stein. I am one of the Azure Partner Channel Development Managers here at Microsoft, and I want to welcome you to another episode in the Demystifying series, where today we're going to demystify cloud trust and security concerns. So before we dive into these objections, we want to first address the importance of understanding the customer's position in the buying process. Change can be very stressful. With cloud, you're talking about changing the way customers do business, and it's not something to be taken lightly. That's why it's so important that you come in ready to really listen to them express their concerns and ease their fears. With all the preparation and hard work, you can take advantage of a huge market opportunity. So let's get to the heart of the matter concerning the cloud. A lot of companies don't think about the specific cloud solutions and vendors. They just don't trust the cloud. Yet here's the reality. Most of them are already using the cloud in some form or fashion today, whether it's their Netflix account, accessing their bank records, or paying their utility bills. Even normal wire transfers use the cloud. The point you want to land is that nothing is more important than a customer's personal information about them and their family. If they're willing to use cloud services to manage their personal life, surely the business they're running on can also realize some of these benefits. Okay, so just because they're using the cloud now doesn't mean they trust it. So you have to change the dynamics of the conversation by showing all the ways that the cloud is safe. First, there's encryption, which encodes all your content when it's at rest or in transit. Second, there's control. A hybrid solution lets you decide what gets stored on-premise and what gets stored to the cloud. You can also move information back and forth between as you see fit. Third, clouds must conform to global standards. Finally, there's just the physical aspect. Cloud data centers have perimeter security around the building security, and room security. The data contained in the servers at the data center uses a higher level of standards than most SMBs do, and these security services are built into the solution and not added on later. So at Microsoft, we make a commitment to principles worthy of your trust. First, let's talk about security. Microsoft has decades-long experience building enterprise software and running some of the largest online services in the world. We focus on having the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data protected. Our data centers are equipped with state-of-the-art physical security measures. We operate a 24/7 incident response team to mitigate threats and attacks. We encrypt data between you and our data centers. Finally, we protect your data stored with built-in tools and provide access to further encryption capabilities. When we talk about privacy and control, customers are only willing to use services they trust. For more than 20 years, Microsoft has been a leader in creating robust online solutions designed to protect the privacy of our customers. No one is able to use your data in a way that you do not approve. We enable you to keep your data in your region and in some cases inside your country. We will not use your data for advertising or commercial purposes. We will not disclose your information outside of Microsoft except with your consent or when required by law. And we provide a variety of tools to extract your data. From a compliancy perspective, your content is stored and managed in compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and standards. We lead the industry in pursuing compliance with the latest standards for data privacy and security, such as ISO 27018. We regularly undergo independent audits to certify our compliance. In addition, we work with customers to help them meet their compliance requirements. And then transparency. Azure helps enable customer control over customer data by providing transparency into where that data is stored, who can access it, and how Microsoft helps secure it with accessible tools and straightforward language. We provide understandable and strict policy of what we will and will not use your consent for. When responding to law enforcement requests, we strive to defend your rights and privacy and ensure due process is followed. For each of our services, we provide you with information on where your content may be stored and processed. And finally, here's a bunch of resources that I've put together to allow you to be able to go see and learn more about how we approach trust and security at Microsoft. I think you'll find that it's an overall really robust solution, and I thank you for joining us in demystifying trust and security in the cloud today. Great selling.